which the RSS exposes as Muslim invaders. And they say, the RSS philosophy says that they came to eliminate Hinduism. However, in reality, if you go through the facts and figures, that during those 350 years of rule of the Muslims on the subcontinent, in Hindustan, when they left, 82% of the people were Hindus. There was no change in the demography. And then came the British. And when the GDP, during the colonial rule, you'll be shocked, which they always, because that is the excuse they lay for, eliminating all the Muslim populations in the world. So this is very important that we need to look at the facts that the GDP during the Mughal era, I know it's out of context, but it's also in context. It was 23% during the Mughal era. And when they left and the British came, it was 0.2%. So we can expose India to any extent when it changes the demography, these invalid laws, and then coming to the top resistance leadership also, including my husband, him being a Kashmiri and I being a Pakistani citizen married to a Kashmiri. We are an aggrieved party. We are willing, me and my daughter, she was here, I don't know, maybe she's gone out in the swings, but we are willing to give our testimony along with other people who are sitting here, Waleed Saab and others. I'm willing to go wherever you want, whatever proofs I have, whatever injustice we have gone through because of the Indian forces and the Indian laws, and how they've also put my name in the NIA as an agent. I mean, for them, every Kashmiri is an agent without any proofs. So these are things which we need to challenge, and I can be arrested. If I have to go to meet my husband, I'll be arrested. So what's the point? So we need a safe passage. We need to get our Kashmiri leaders, political prisoners, including the human rights defenders, released, and we need to take it internationally under universal declaration, be it international